you busy now? Are you busy?
I think we get to call that the first crawl.
Are you going in reverse now? Are you going in reverse now? Yay! See, everybody, I was all the way over here before. I was here, and I crawled all the way to this end.
Liam. Liam. Hey, buddy.
Look at Daddy.
Stop moving it, Mom.
You just told me to keep moving it.
Come get it, Liam. Yay, little spit up. Yay!
You spit up. Oh, no.
Come get it.
Oh, no.
Hey, buddy. Come on.
Okay.
Show Dad what you can do. You done?
Yeah,
Alright.
I'm tired. That took a lot of work to crawl from one end to the other. I know. Come here.